Chow Kit Market, located in the Chow Kit district of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, is one of the city's most vibrant and bustling markets. Renowned for its diverse offering, the market is a hub of activities where vendors sell fresh produce, meat, seafood, spices, and a wide array of local goods. The lively atmosphere and the sheer varieties of products draw both locals and tourists alike, making it a central point of daily life in the district. Due to the market's popularity and constant flow of shoppers, Chow Kit Road is perpetually busy with traffic.
Hello everyone, guys, we're here at Chow Kit Market. Last week we went to Pudi Market to buy some household essentials. Today we are here at Chow Kit Market to compare the prices from the things we bought previously from Pudi Market. And the market is so crowded today because it's Hari Raya Haji. So a lot of people are out here buying their household essentials and other groceries. So guys, let's go get some household essentials here. Hello, bro. Woo!
Nice, very nice.
Okay, this is how much?
Okay. 3 kilo.
3 kilo, how much?
96.
Sorry?
96.
90, 96.
Yes.
Yeah, discount how much? Quran.
This one fresh one. Cut more.
Quran.
This baru ni kan.
So best price is how much?
96.
96.
This one fresh one.
Okay, all right.
Cut more.
Yeah, cut small, normal. All right. All right, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. From so many crowd.
Salam puas hati. Dah. Belakang di bawah polis naik.
So the,
Dah. Dia minta bagi masuk di polis.
is there-
Yes, hello.
yes, I want to buy prawn, big one.
Big one. This one's a bigger one.
Big.
Okay, big one, 1 kilo.
A lot of meat lah.
A lot of meat.
30 ringgit 1 kilo. 30 ringgit.
30 ringgit.
Yes, 1 kilo.
Quran.
29 lah. Best buy.
Okay,
How much?
2 kilo, 2 kilo.
Kilo, 2 kilo.
Yeah, 2 kilo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why today you reporter ah? Come here and take picture. Yeah, very busy one. This week.
Today busy day.
Today the Muslim Hari Raya.
Oh,
Pasar Raya Haji.
Oh, that's why it's crowded, huh?
To Makkah the one Hari Raya. All Muslim, but mostly half only lah, not 50% only lah. Not all go to Haji lah.
Oh,
They celebrate.
oh, okay.
You come here for holiday.
Yeah, for holiday.
Berapa?
Yeah, 2 kilo.
5, 9. Abang 9 nampak lah abang. 9 kurang 4. Kilo for 58.
58, all right.
Wow, sakit.
Okay.
Kilo 58 lah sama dia. Ini masalah pun dari berapa? 2 kilo 58 ya. Saja 6 kilo. Kira abang 58. Orang ya? 58.
think this place looks cool. Yeah, big one. Okay. Yeah, 1 kilo how much? Kurang, kurang. Kurang, kurang. Okay, so 1 kilo how much? 36, best price. I take 2 kurang, kurang, I take 2 kilo. 2 kilo. Okay. 1, 2, 2 kilo. You already bought one there, right? No. No, I already bought. Yeah, I already bought that one, huh? Alright, thanks, man. Siki-siki. Shark, shark. Where can I buy shark? Bro, do you have shark? Shark. No shark? They don't sell shark here.
Supermarket.
Oh.
Shark, salmon.
Chow Kit Market doesn't sell salmon or shark, but they have a row of catfish and tilapia. Salmon and shark can be found at Pudu Market.
Let me buy one of these chicken. Yeah, one. Good one, huh? Okay. Yeah, clean up. Normal size, big. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Hello, bro.
Yeah, friend.
How are you?
How are you? Oh, tomato.
Yeah, fresh tomato. 1 kilo, how much?
Ek ringgit.
Yep, thank you. Okay, hold on. Egg.
Chili.
Chili, 1 kilo, how much? Kurang, kurang, kurang.
Ha.
Hmm? Kurang,
Berapa kilo?
kurang,
Berapa kilo?
kurang.
Kilo berapa?
1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Yeah,
1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Good trend Okay?
You must kurang.
Yeah. Tomato?
Yeah, tomato.
How many kilo?
Give me 1 kilo, let me see.
1 kilo.
Yeah, 1 kilo, how much again?
Egg ringgit tuh.
Kurang lah, kurang.
Tomato mahal, dia tak apa. Ini saya kasih lebar.
Okay.
Tomato, ha? 1 kilo, ha?
Yeah, well, red one.
Red ni ya, big.
Yeah, big.
Okay. Okay, 1 kilo.
Wow.
2.
No, one is enough.
Yeah, 1 kilo.
Why 1 kilo so small? Okay, put two. Green.
Yeah.
And yellow one. Red.
Ah. Okay. Okay, put. Ha. Oh, kilo, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Okro? 6 ringgit aja.
What else do we need here?
Chili, apple.
Yeah, bell pepper, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have the red one?
Yeah.
Red one.
Red.
Okay.
How many?
You mix
lah.
1 kilo.
Yeah. Green? Okay.
Yeah, more red.
Red.
Three red, 3 green. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So how much? Not up to 1 kilo, right? Make it 1 kilo.
One more.
Hold on. Oh,
Oh, good.
this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What else? No, no need okra. What else do we need? Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this one now.
Yeah. Okay. Good lah.
Okay.
Okay.
This one is enough. Carrots. Put 2 more.
Okay.
2 more.
Good lah.
Okay.
Okay ah.
All right.
Yeah. 16.5. Okay, 16. 16.5. 16.
16. 1 6.
Yeah.
16.
Yeah, 16.
16.
5.
16. 1 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
6.
Yeah. 5.
6 5. Oh, 65. No Quran?
Okay, 6. 16.
60.
Okay, man.
You have a.
Yeah.
I want fresh liver. Okay, give me this one little kilo.
2 kilo.
1 kilo, how much? Hmm? 6 ringgit. Give me half kilo. I don't want too much.
Half. 1 kilo ah.
Half kilo, no. 1 kilo too much.
1 kilo ah. Half.
Yeah, half.
Half.
So now 63.
Yeah.
63, right?
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks, man. Yo. So crowded there. Bro, do you have live chicken? Live chicken. Live. Live chicken. There? Soft.
Live chicken. Video, eh?
Video gari to text ma ache.
টাকা দিব পয়সা দিব সব কিছু ইয়া করবে অনলাইনে ঢুকে টাকা কামাইবো
আপনাদের বেড়া দিচ্ছেন কেন সুন্দর করে?
Thank you.
3 ringgit.
3 ringgit.
Iya.
Kurang lah.
2 ringgit kurang lah. 3 ringgit lah. Bayar.
Don't have No. All right, thank you.
I bought 3 live chickens for 61 ringgit.
Muat itu. Ya.
Ayam namin.
All right. Friends, still not enough. Make 1 more kilo. Yeah, 2 kilo. Yeah. Yeah, 2 kilo, same. 2 kilo. Yeah, 1 bag, yeah.
I bought 2 kilograms of mutton for 80 ringgit.
Okay. 80 ringgit, right? All right.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, man.